So, got a 98 Dodge Ram 1500, and I wanted to upgrade the lights from the old halogen lights to these LED lights by this company right here. Got them off of eBay. They're a pretty good price. I want to do like a little install video of how to do it. If you all see these or are interested and want to do it, there's not really many videos out on how to put them in on this truck, so it's actually pretty simple. This actually comes off to allow for the lock ring to go on top. That way you can install it like I did right there. It's plug and play. It plugged right in. I checked both of them work, the high beam and low beam. So basically when you take it apart, it slides on top like that, and those two little, let's see, right there, they go, do that, twist it open, pull it off, and then from there you put your lock ring on, slide it back on top, and line it up with the slots like that. Push it back down and twist it. You're probably gonna need about 2 hands to do it. It's a little difficult. And now I'm just gonna put it in like you would put a normal bulb in and plug it in. This side is the driver's side. It's a whole lot less room than over here on the passenger side, so let's put it in.